Namaskar students. Finally we got the good news from CBSE. CBSE has revised the curriculum of Information Technology 402 and actually nothing is reduced from your syllabus, but only few of the contents or few of the parts CBSE has just given not to ask in theory exam, but that should be asked for practical or that should be reserved for practical. So let me see what it will be. Myself Sanjay Parmar, I welcome you all in my channel tutorial AICS IP. So let me begin this video and I will show you what are the changes or what are the revised content for CBSE IT 402. So here the main part A, B, C, D, those all are remain same. Units also remain same. Unit 1, Unit 2, Unit 3, Unit 4, Unit 5 like that. So in employability skills part A there is no change. It is as it is and all contents are there. In part B, CBSE has given some relaxation in theory part. Although we have to cover all the topics from these units: digital documentation advance, electronic spreadsheet, database management system, and web application and security. So let me explain what are those contents which CBSE has given for practical aspects only. So here they have highlighted this portion. Here you can see from Unit 1 digital documentation advance, this part styles and formatting window, fill format, creating a new style using drag and drop. So here they have mentioned to be assessed in practicals only. No question shall be asked from this portion in theory exam. So as per CBSE guideline, it should not come in your board exam also, and teachers can also ignore this part for asking in theory exam. It will be considered for practical only from this learning outcome. Create and apply styles in the document. Now insert and use images, there is no change. All the contents will be there for that learning outcome. Learning outcome 3, create and use template. Here two contents reserved for practical, creating a template and updating a document. So these two are there. Learning outcome 4, there is no change at all in that 4. It is as it is. Learning outcome 5, implement mail merge. So here they have released this one, editing individual document. So that should be not there. It is little small part only from that entire process. So that also to be assessed in practical only. Now let we talk about Unit 2 electronic spreadsheet advance. Now here in this, let me change the orientation of this file and my mobile screen. So now you can look it properly. Now analyze data using scenarios and goal seek. So there will be no change. All contents are there. Then link data and spreadsheet. Point number 2, creating reference to another document by using keyboard and mouse. That will be asked for practical. Rest points can be asked for theory. Learning outcome 3, share and review a spreadsheet. So here setting up spreadsheet for sharing, that is reserved for practical. Then opening and saving a shared spreadsheet, recording changes, add, edit, format, and all contents will be there for theory based also, theory as well as practical. Then learning outcome 4, there is no change in this 4. Actually many teachers and many students have difficulties in this because some VB code is available to write and edit. So everyone was expecting that CBSE will reduce this part, but they have not given any change in this part. Okay, so it should be reduced, but it was not reduced. So it's what we can say, unfortunate we can say. Otherwise this part should be less or revised according to our teachers also and for students also. But whatever they have taken decision, it's final. So this part will be as it is. There is no change in this part. Create and use macros in spreadsheet, because here few things are there that requires practical aspects with programming, like pass arguments to macro, pass the arguments are as values, write macros that act like built-in functions, access cells directly, and sort the columns using macro. So these functions are there where something related to code, Visual Basic code is required. So we hope there should be some relaxation should be given in that, but CBSE has not given. So now it is compulsory to complete. So that also we will complete, and I will also complete on my channel. So stay with my channel and watch out for the future videos. Okay, so let me begin with Unit 3. In Unit 3, Learning Outcome 1, there is no change, and that complete part I have covered in my videos. You can watch those videos, you will get in I button. Okay, Learning Outcome 2, create and edit table using wizard and SQL commands. So here set up 2 steps to create a table using table wizard. That will be asked in practicals only. Then Learning Outcome 3, here all points are as it is, no change. Then Learning Outcome 4, retrieve data using query. Query creation using wizard, creation of query using design view. So that will be simple aspects only. So that will be not asked in your theory exam. Next, Learning Outcome, create forms and reports using wizard. Here creating form using wizard. So means whatever options they have given by using wizard, that they have reduced. Now whatever content is that we have to create manually, or we are going to create using entering data in MS Access. Here OpenOffice base is there, so that is there only in theory as well as practical. Then report using wizard, steps to create report using wizard. So similar, it to be assessed in practical only. No question shall be asked from this portion in theory exams. So that all teachers have to keep in mind. Now from Unit 4, I think they have not reduced content from Learning Outcome 1 and 2. In Learning Outcome 3, Introduction to Instant Messaging, they have reduced this part. Launching Google Talk, signing into your Google Talk account. Then Learning 4, there is no change. Learning 5, 1 point, learn and appreciate a blog and its creation with the help of some blog providers. So that they have not given here. Blog provider means how to create blogs, that they have reduced. Now they have written that setup title and other parameters in a blog position commands. So that will be there. So how it's possible when you write the blog, after that these steps are there. So first steps you have to write your blog, but they have reduced here. Don't understand how they have marked this point. Actually they should remove something else, but they have marked this one. So we should not ask in theory. After that, there is no change in other learning outcomes. See, so these are the major changes of your syllabus. Let me show you once again from the beginning. First, Unit 1. In Unit 1, Part 2, Digital Documentation Advanced, Styles and Formatting Window, Fill Format, creating a new style using drag and drop. Then Learning Outcome 3, creating a template, updating a template document. Then Learning Outcome 5, editing individual document. Then Learning Outcome 2 from Unit 2, creating reference to other documents by using keyboard and mouse. Then 3, share and review a spreadsheet, setting up a spreadsheet for sharing. That point should not be asked in theory. Then Unit 3, Learning Outcome 2, steps to create table using table wizard. Then similar for retrieve data using query, that wizard portion will be ignored for theory. Similarly for forms and reports. After that, in Unit 4, launching Google Talk, signing into your Google Talk account. So that everybody knows this, how to do that. Then creating and publishing web pages, blog, its creation with the help of some blog providers, that will be reduced. So I hope you prepare in similar way. And now we have to cover this topic in practical, but it should not be asked for theory. So there is no reduction in syllabus. Actually there is no reduction. We can say reduction is not there. We have to cover all these aspects in practicals. It cannot be asked in theory. It is okay, but till there I don't feel that these are the concepts from where we can ask more theory questions. Okay, whatever theory part is there, it till as it is. And the difficult one was that macro, which is little bit difficult for the students also, because students, those who are not coming from programming or coding background, they should learn it properly, and then only they can prepare the macro and all, and then they can write the functions. So that should be reduced, and this is the theory part most probably. So here if they are giving some relaxation, then also it can be reduced, but CBSE has not reduced syllabus part. They have just given that it should be not asked in theory, but we have to cover that. So I will also cover in my YouTube channel on my videos. So whatever part is left till now, I will start video on those topic also, because I was waiting for this CBSE revised syllabus. So that's why I have selected those topics. Those are very important according to me. So that I have covered. Now I will provide you the videos related to all these topics in practicals, and then we will discuss the question answer as per the section, how it is coming in board exam. So thank you very much for watching this video. If you like this video, give the like and share with your friends, so they can also understand what will be there and what will be reduced from your theory part. So thank you for watching video once again, and if you are coming to my channel first time, watching my video first time, subscribe the channel and press the bell notification icon. Thank you once again for watching video. Keep watching, keep learning.